worry, Noah. I've got this.
Yeah! Super Sema saves the day!
Woohoo! Slime. It's gooey, sticky, and noisy. But what is it? Let's find out together. Are you ready to join us? Tuande, let's go! We love slime, don't we?
We love slime!
Shh! Not too loud, in case Babu hears us. He's not a fan ever since he got some stuck in his beard. But why are we so obsessed with slime? Well, it all began when Tabor made his own special slime. He called it Supercharging Energizer. But the only super thing it did was create a lot of super silly dancing.
And some super rude noises.
Things that take up space are called matter. And the state of a matter could be solid, liquid, or gas. So which one of these is slime?
Well, it's not really solid. Its shape changes.
That's right. Solids are rigid and keep their shape and size. But the slime changes shape. So maybe slime is a liquid?
Well, my juice does this when I pour it in here, but my slime does this.
Ah, look! A liquid like juice takes the shape of the container, but the slime doesn't completely take the shape or level out flat on top.
So it's not a liquid, and it's not a solid.
Then what is it? Ooh! Can we find out through the super search?
Great idea! What is slime? Slime is a non-Newtonian fluid that doesn't follow the rules of solids, liquids, or gases. This means they change the way they act depending on how much force you put into them. For example, if you pull slime slowly, it will flow more easily, acting more like a liquid. But if you pull it really fast, it will act more like a solid and break. And here's a super fact. Nature was the first inventor of slime. Some slime is living. In fact, 900 species of slime live and grow on Earth.
Living slime? Like my slime monster?
Not quite, Noah. But we can invent our very own kinds of slime. Want to do it?
Yeah!
Let's Technovate! Here's how to make slime.
It's slime time! Yeah!
So first we make our base slime. Here's the recipe. You need 2/3 of a cup of glue, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1.5 tablespoons of contact lens solution or borax, and finally a 1/4 cup of water. Now mix, mix, mix. You can also add food coloring, eco-friendly glitter, and toys to make it look cool.
Super cool.
Ooh! Gooey! Nice!
Now that we have our base slime, we can add different materials to give the slime different properties.
I wonder what happens if I add a tablespoon of some shaving cream.
The shaving cream has bubbles, which mix with the slime to make it lighter.
Yeah, my slime is more foamy now. Nice!
I want to make my slime extra bouncy.
Just add some cornstarch, 2 tablespoons at a time. And I'm going to try and add a teaspoon of body lotion. Let's see. Whoa! My slime is now super stretchy.
Man, super bouncy. What's this?
Wait!
Did I know what slime?
No, Babu. There's no slime here.
You know, slime is banned in this house.
Try making your own type of slime. I'm sure you'll have so much fun. Watch my other STEAM vlogs for even more inspiration. Stay super and keep technovating! The name Sema. Super Sema. But today, I've got company. Meet the team, Detective MB and Detective Noah.
What's up?
Oops. Hi. Sorry. These glasses are dark.
Together we're
The
Super Coding Detectives.
This is so exciting!
Today we will use the power of computational thinking to crack a secret code.
Ooh.
Are you ready to join us? Twende, let's go!
Woohoo!
Today is all about coding and computational thinking. It all began when Tabor used it to create his addictive video game. Tabor created a really addictive video game so no one would notice Dunia being destroyed and his Taborniverse being built. But I did some computational thinking of my own to free everyone, with a little help from Moyo. But what exactly is computational thinking?
Allow me, Sema. It's a way to solve complex problems with computers. Something I love doing. We understand what the problem is, then we think of different solutions. See? Problem solved.
And you probably use computational thinking every day too. Like when you're deciding what activity to do by checking the weather forecast on your app. Ooh, looks like a good day to play detective indoors. Or when you need to decide how to cut a pizza so that everyone gets a slice.
There are 4 of us, 1 slice each, so 2 long cuts.
One this way and one this way. An extra cheesy slice for you, Moyo. Okay, Detective Noah. It's time for you to really use your powers of computational thinking.
Really? Me? Detective Noah is on the case.
It's time to investigate. So, let's technovate! How to make a secret code. Okay, we don't want Noah to hear or see what we're doing. It is a secret code after all. Can you hear us, Noah? Okay, great. Now let's make a cipher for Noah to solve. You're going to need... Take it, MB.
A piece of paper, scissors, tape, a pen or pencil, and something cylindrical to wrap the paper around, like a rolling pin or cardboard tube.
Using the paper and scissors, cut a long strip of paper. Then, wrap the strip around your cylindrical object. Using your pen or pencil, write out your secret message straight along the cylinder. MB?
I'm on it.
That's it! Add in other random letters to the other side of the paper. This will help hide your secret message.
Okay, secret message complete.
Great work! Now, unravel the paper and let's give it to Noah to figure out.
He's never gonna guess what I've written on here.
Whoa! That is one super secret coded message. The letters are all mixed up. Or are they? Come on, Detective Noah. You can do it. Maybe if I... Nope. What if I...
Do you think he's going to crack it?
Let's see.
Huh? Nah, that's not right. Maybe if I wrap it around the other way? I think your secret coded message is... Tabor is a big smelly pot. That's rude.
You cracked it, Noah.
Good job, Noah.
Case closed. Now to crack some more cases. Detective Noah to the rescue.
Why not try making your own secret silly message at home? Watch my other theme vlogs for even more inspiration. Together we can change the world. Stay super and keep technovating. Are we filming? Yes, we're on. Hello, Technovators. Welcome back. And here we are, deep in the thick tropical jungle. Not really. Today, we're talking about plants and how amazing they are. Like the ones in this terrarium I made. Wanna know more? Are you ready? Trend it! Let's go! Look! It's so easy to make. It's just some stones, soil, plants, and water inside a jar with a lid. These plants have their own water cycle so they can look after themselves. The moisture in the soil is warmed up by the sun and it turns into water vapor, which forms into droplets on the glass and goes back into the soil. So I don't even need to water it. I know, amazing, right? But why am I growing so many plants, you're wondering? Well, it all started when Tabor cut down Dunia's forever forest. It was terrible. You see, plants are so important for the world. It's time for some super facts. When forests are cut down, it's called deforestation. But this can cause problems like soil erosion. This means soil particles can be easily carried away by water. And with no tree roots to soak up the rainfall, this can cause flooding. But that's not all. Deforestation means animals lose their forest homes. Another amazing thing plants do is make oxygen. And that's what we breathe. So, when trees are cut down, less oxygen is released into the atmosphere. But I bet there's more amazing things plants do. Let's do a super search. Why are plants amazing? Trees also capture carbon dioxide, one of the gases that causes a problem called global warming. That's when the Earth's average temperature increases over a long period of time. Boo! Definitely not cool. Hello there! This is the tree planting drone we use to stop Tabor. People are technovating by planting more trees faster. That's what inspired me to replant the forever forest using a drone. And you can plant more trees near your home too. Let's technovate! We're going to make seed bombs. They sound like something Tabor would like. But don't worry, the only thing they explode with is lots of colorful flowers. Just sprinkle some seeds on some soil and flour in a bowl and mix it in. Then pour in enough water so the soil sticks together. Then the fun part. Roll the soil into little balls. When you have lots of little seed balls, you just need to let them dry. Like these ones. Now it's seed bombs away. Plant power, yeah! Uh-oh, my seed ball plants need a trim. Maya, can you help? Watch my other STEAM vlogs for even more inspiration. Together, we can change the world. Stay super and keep technovating. Today we're going to sleep under the stars in the coolest sleepover ever. Ready to find out more? Twende, let's go! I'm so excited to have a sleepover, Sema! Woohoo! You don't seem very sleepy, Aziza. How can I be when we're going to build a fantastic fort to sleep in? That's right! We were inspired by the fort we built to spy on Tabor. We made a plan for our fort and how we were going to build it. It wasn't easy, and we had a few problems. But when we began to think like engineers, we came up with a solution. Yeah! Our treehouse.
But what are engineers and what do they do?
Let's find out. It's time for a super search. Tell me more about engineers. An engineer is a person who designs and builds complex products, machines, systems, or structures. Engineers use math and science to solve everyday problems to make work and play easier, more enjoyable, and healthier. So how does an engineer go about engineering a building? Well, the steps are research, imagine, plan, create, test, and improve. Huh?
Ooh, I've been imagining an amazing dance party. Ooh, yeah!
Well, now that we've imagined, it's time to plan and make our fort. Let's technovate! So what do we want our fort to look like? It needs to be big enough to fit both of us.
Yeah, and with doors and windows.
Yeah, like this and this.
Yeah, and ooh, what about an open roof so we can dance under the stars?
Super cool! I love it!
And we'll need to decorate it with lots of color. Epic!
This cardboard is perfect for building the fort. Yeah. I'm going to cut holes in the boxes for windows and doors.
And I'm going to add some bright colors with this colored tape.
We'll be right back. There. Now our masterpiece for engineering is ready.
There's only one problem.
Huh?
We won't be able to see the night sky in here.
I can fix that. Woo! Yeah! Why don't you build your own fab fort? Watch my other STEAM vlogs for even more inspiration. Together we can change the world. Stay super and keep technovating. Stay connected with me on the Super Sema